10 Best British Foods. British cuisine carries centuries of memories, family traditions, and simple comforts. And while what people consider the best British food varies from person to person, certain dishes consistently appear near the top. These meals blend heritage, flavour, and identity in a way that keeps them beloved generation after generation. The title 10 Best British Foods captures the classics that define British cooking, from humble favourites to celebratory dishes enjoyed across the country. These are foods people look up online, share with visitors, and proudly call their own. Dishes that feel unmistakably British from the very first bite. 10. Welsh Rarebit. Welsh Rarebit may look like cheese on toast at first glance, but the real version is far richer and proudly rooted in Welsh tradition. Made with mature cheddar, mustard, butter, pepper, and sometimes ale, the mixture is melted and poured over toasted bread before being grilled to bubbling perfection. Loved for its warmth and simplicity, the dish dates back centuries and symbolises home-style British comfort. Welsh Rarebit still appears in modern cookbooks, pubs and cafés across the country, and it continues to trend in searches for traditional British food because it's affordable, reliable, and always satisfying. 9. Cornish pasty. The Cornish pasty is one of Britain's most recognisable regional dishes, originating in Cornwall and designed centuries ago as a portable meal for miners. Filled traditionally with beef, potato, onion and swede, and sealed with a thick crimped edge, it remains protected under Cornish heritage laws today. What made it practical then makes it beloved now. Sturdy, comforting pastry wrapped around a hearty, savoury filling. Millions of Cornish pasties are still sold across Britain every year. Its strong identity, simple ingredients, and deep connection to local history keep it firmly among favourite British foods. 8. Victoria Sponge. The Victoria Sponge is one of the most classic British cakes, named after Queen Victoria herself. It consists of 2 layers of light sponge filled with raspberry jam and cream or buttercream. Its simplicity is its charm, delicate sweetness, soft texture, and timeless elegance. Found at afternoon teas, bake sales, birthdays, and village fairs, it remains one of the most beloved British desserts. The Victoria Sponge also remains one of the top searched UK baking recipes online. It's a dessert that feels equally at home in a cosy kitchen or a celebratory gathering, keeping it relevant across generations. 7. Shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie has deep roots in British home cooking. Made with minced lamb, vegetables and gravy, topped with creamy mashed potatoes, it's a dish closely associated with comfort and family meals. Its origins date back to the 18th century when households repurposed leftover roasted meat. Over time, it evolved into a much-loved staple. Shepherd's pie remains popular in pubs and kitchens across the UK, especially during colder months because it's hearty, filling, and easy to adapt. Its connection to tradition and its warming flavours make it a consistent favourite in searches for classic British dinners. 6. Lancashire hotpot. Lancashire hotpot is one of the most authentic slow-cooked dishes in British cuisine. Originating in northwest England, it became popular during the Industrial Revolution, when families needed meals that could cook slowly while they worked long hours. Made with lamb, onions, and thin slices of potato baked until tender, it produces the kind of comforting aroma that feels unmistakably British. Its simplicity, affordability, and connection to working-class history make it a cherished traditional dish today. Found in pubs and homes, Lancashire hotpot embodies the slow-cooked warmth that defines many of the 10 best British foods appreciated across the UK. 5. Full English breakfast. The full English breakfast is one of Britain's most recognisable meals worldwide, typically including eggs, bacon, sausages, mushrooms, tomatoes, toast, baked beans, and sometimes black pudding. It became a symbol of hospitality and a hearty start to the day in the early 20th century. Today, it continues to be enjoyed everywhere from cafés to hotels to home kitchens. The full English remains one of the most searched British foods globally, thanks to its iconic status, variety, and comforting flavours. Whether eaten on a weekend morning or during a holiday by the coast, it feels unmistakably British. 4. Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire pudding is a beloved British dish with origins in northern England. Made from a simple batter of flour, eggs, and milk, it puffs dramatically in the oven to create a crisp exterior and soft centre. Traditionally served with roast beef as part of a Sunday roast, Yorkshire pudding has grown beyond its origins, appearing in creative modern variations across the UK. Its simplicity and versatility contribute to its lasting popularity. Generations have perfected their own versions at home, and it's regularly featured in British cooking shows and food competitions. Few dishes feel more proudly rooted in British identity. 3. Fish and chips. Fish and chips is perhaps the most internationally recognised British food. First popular during the 19th century, it quickly became a staple for working families. Traditionally made with battered cod or haddock served alongside thick-cut chips, it remains a nostalgic favourite associated with seaside holidays, Friday nights, and family meals. The dish's balance of textures, crisp batter, soft fish, warm chips, keeps it perpetually popular. Even with modern fast food options available everywhere, fish and chips maintains its status as a symbol of British cooking. It's also one of the most commonly searched UK dishes among tourists and expatriates. 2. Sunday roast. The Sunday roast represents tradition, togetherness, and the heart of British home cooking. Featuring roasted meat, potatoes, vegetables, gravy, and often Yorkshire pudding, it dates back centuries and remains a ritual in many households. Families gather around the table, friends meet at pubs, and communities celebrate with this comforting weekly meal. Despite modern schedules, the Sunday roast has never lost its importance. It continues to inspire searches for classic British recipes and remains central to British culinary culture. Its flavours, warmth, and nostalgia secure its high ranking among beloved traditional dishes. 1. Beef Wellington. At the top of the list sits beef Wellington, a classic British dish known for its elegance and skill. Made from beef fillet coated in mushroom duxelles and wrapped in puff pastry, it's baked until golden and crisp. Its history traces back to the 19th century, and although it's now a celebratory meal, it remains unmistakably British in style and character. Beef Wellington is featured in cookbooks, restaurant menus, and special occasion dinners across the UK. Its combination of texture, flavour, and craftsmanship has made it one of the most admired British foods. Fittingly, it often tops rankings of traditional British dishes for its refinement and heritage. What people consider the best British food will always differ, but these dishes continue to appear across lists, searches, and conversations about classic cuisine. The 10 best British foods reflects meals that represent tradition, comfort, and unmistakable British flavour. British food is built on comfort, history, and simple pleasures, which is why these dishes have endured for generations. While everyone has their own personal favourites, the classics featured in the 10 Best British Foods list continue to define national food culture. They celebrate tradition, warmth, and the enduring charm of British cooking. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.